Want to make money online? Ebooks are a great option. They're digital books you can sell anywhere, anytime. No printing costs. People crave information. Ebooks provide that. Share your knowledge and earn passive income. It's a win-win. Think about it. You write the book once, it can sell thousands of times. The potential is huge, you just need the right approach. This guide will show you how. Get ready to become an ebook entrepreneur. First things first, pick a topic. This is the foundation of your ebook journey. Without a clear topic, your efforts might be scattered and less effective. What are you passionate about? Think deeply about what excites you. Passion fuels creativity and keeps you motivated throughout the writing process. What do you know a lot about? Your expertise can provide valuable insights and make your content more credible. Your niche is key to your ebook success. Choose wisely. A well-defined niche helps you stand out in a crowded market. Think about your target audience. Who are they? What are their preferences and pain points? What are their interests and needs? Do your research. Understanding your audience helps tailor your content to their expectations. Check out popular ebook categories. This can give you an idea of what topics are currently in demand. Look at what's selling well. Bestsellers can provide inspiration and show you what readers are looking for. Find a gap in the market. Identifying an underserved area can give your ebook a unique edge. Remember, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to be passionate and willing to learn. You just need to be passionate and knowledgeable. Now let's get writing. Your journey to creating a successful ebook starts now. Embrace the process and enjoy the ride. Writing an ebook takes time and effort, but don't be intimidated. Start by outlining your content. Break it down into chapters. Write in a clear and concise style. Use simple language. Your readers should easily understand your message. Formatting is crucial. Use a clean and professional font. Add headings and subheadings. Make your ebook visually appealing. Once you're done writing, proofread carefully. Get feedback from others. A polished ebook will attract more readers. Section 4. Publishing Power, Amazon Kindle and Beyond. In this section, we will explore the immense potential that Amazon Kindle offers to authors and publishers alike. Amazon Kindle is a great platform to publish your ebook. With its user-friendly interface and extensive reach, it has revolutionized the way authors share their stories with the world. It's easy to use and reaches millions of readers worldwide. Whether you're a seasoned author or a first-time writer, Kindle provides the tools you need to succeed. Create an Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP account. This is your gateway to the vast Kindle ecosystem, where you can manage your ebooks, track sales, and connect with readers. Upload your manuscript and choose a pricing strategy. KDP offers flexible pricing options, allowing you to set the price that best suits your goals and market. Consider other platforms like Apple Books, Barnes and Noble Nook, and Kobo. Diversifying your distribution channels can help you reach a broader audience. Expanding your reach can boost your sales. By making your ebook available on multiple platforms, you increase the chances of attracting more readers and generating higher revenue. Make sure your ebook description is compelling. A well-crafted description can captivate potential readers and entice them to purchase your book. Highlight the benefits for readers. Clearly outline what makes your ebook unique and why readers should choose it over others. Use relevant keywords to improve discoverability. Keywords help your ebook appear in search results, making it easier for readers to find your work. Be strategic in your selection to maximize visibility. Section 5. Spreading the word, marketing your ebook. You've published your ebook. Congratulations. This is a significant milestone, but the journey doesn't end here. Now it's time to promote it. Effective marketing is crucial to ensure your ebook reaches its intended audience and achieves the success it deserves. Social media is your friend. Utilize platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to create buzz around your ebook. Share your ebook on these platforms. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Run contests and giveaways to generate excitement and encourage sharing. Offer discounts to attract early readers. Create special promotions and limited-time offers to entice potential buyers. Build an email list to keep your audience informed and engaged. Offer a free chapter or bonus content in exchange for email signups. This not only provides value but also helps you grow your subscriber base. Nurture your subscribers by sending regular updates and exclusive content. Promote your ebook to them through well-crafted email campaigns. Collaborate with other authors or influencers in your niche. Cross-promote your ebooks to reach a wider audience. Networking and partnerships can significantly boost your visibility and sales. Continuously analyze your marketing efforts, adjust your strategies based on what works best. Celebrate your successes and learn from your challenges. With dedication and the right approach, your ebook can achieve great success. Section 6. Level Up, Maximizing Earnings and Scaling. Congratulations, you're now an authorpreneur. Now let's maximize your earnings together. Consider creating a series of ebooks. Offer different formats like audiobooks and paperback versions. Give your readers more options. Run ads on Amazon and other platforms. Target specific keywords to reach the right audience. Continuously improve your ebook based on reader feedback. Update the content and design to stay relevant always. Section 7. The ebook advantage, freedom, flexibility, and fulfillment. Creating and selling ebooks is more than making money. It's about sharing your knowledge and impacting lives. You're in control. You set your own hours. You work from anywhere. Enjoy the freedom and flexibility. Be patient and persistent. Success takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. So, what are you waiting for? Start writing your ebook today.